Hey everyone, welcome back to Resin Flowers. Today we are diving into something super creative, how to make these gorgeous resin keychains with natural spices like cinnamon, black pepper, and Damascus. So let's grab some materials and get started. Here is everything you will need: some damask rose. You will need a few cinnamon sticks. Make sure they are perfectly clean and smooth. Here I use some black seeds. I'll also use a bit of flaxseed, which has such delicate details and very good texture for our resins. I use some lemon verbena leaves for a refreshing and natural vibe. It also may be surprising, but I use some black pepper. So cinnamon, verbena leaves, musk rose, all the seeds and black peppers. Let's dive into it. Here is our mold. As you see, some of them are yellow, which I used a lot, and some of them are clear, more clear like you see, and they are uh, barely used. That's why they are more clear. Make sure to check your roses as well. Some of them are yellow inside, which are not very good for our resins. So check your rose and make sure they are all clear and perfectly pink. If you want, I have a video in my shorts that explain how to use the best ingredient for your resins. Here I'm waiting my resin, and I will add half of the resin weight of hardener. Mix thoroughly the resin and the hardener to get the very clear resin and avoid any air bubble. To make sure that we don't have any air bubbles, divide your resin into separate dishes and mix with the ingredient and then put in the mold. In this case, you are avoiding any air bubble that produce during the mixing. As you can see in my molds, I put the spices based on my client preference, but you can put it as your liking and personalize the keychains as you wish. Now we remove the keychains from the molds. And here we are. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos.